Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what the model needs. Install H5Py and the matching TensorFlow/Keras version, then place model. H5 where your script can open it. Once done, import H5Py, TensorFlow, Keras models. Load model in NumPy and set a fixed seed for reproducibility. Then, open the file path string and call load model immediately so you confirm compatibility. This first step verifies architecture and waits load, without progressing to preprocessing or inference mistakes. Now continue by loading and inspecting the model object. Use Keras, models, load model model, H5 to get a ready model. Once loaded, call model. Summary, to see layer shapes and output sizes, make sure to check model. Input shape and expected D type, then adapt your data, cast types, normalize values, and reshape arrays to match batch dimensions. If you need custom objects, pass custom objects to load model. Otherwise, proceed to compile if you must run training or directly use model. Predict for inference. Finish by running inference and handling outputs cleanly. Feed a correctly shaped NumPy batch into model. Predict, then save results with NumPy. Save or convert outputs to desired formats. If you need to persist the model differently, save weights or export to saved model. Make sure to set model. Trainable equals false for pure inference. If something fails, check shape mismatches, missing custom layer definitions, or TensorFlow/Keras version incompatibilities. Resolving those 3 fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.